I cannot believe that I am holding this box in my hands right now. Oh my God, I am so, ooh, what? Okay, so I don't know if you remember, internet meme culture moves pretty fast, but the Goth Crocs from Twitter, as you've seen by the title, yes, this box contains the $250 pair of Goth Crocs from Twitter, from the memes, you've seen them everywhere. Oh, I am so excited. So this whole kind of meme really took off with this one picture. And from there were several other memes that were spawned of it. Incredible. And I remember I saw this meme when I was scrolling on Instagram and I was like, oh my God. I sent it to my friend and I remember saying, I was like, this meme sucks, but give me those shoes. I need those shoes. So then a couple nights later, I was scrolling through Etsy. You guys all know that Etsy is my fatal flaw. Lo and behold, what came across my screen were the Goth Crocs listing. And when I saw the price, my mouth dropped. I was like, there is absolutely no way. Who would pay $250 for a pair of Crocs? Me. There was only 4, like they only made 4 of them because they're handmade. Finally, there was I think 2 left. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. Money comes and goes, but Goth Crocs are forever. I'm not gonna be able to make something like that. These will never be a thing, and they're in my hands now. I'm so excited. So this is kind of last minute. It's like Monday night at literally 7:45 and I'm posting this on Tuesday. So I was gonna do kind of a video where I'm like, oh, wearing Goth Crocs for a week. But you guys get the point. We just wanna see what's in this box. Let's open it. By the way, first, before we get into it, make sure you go down there and hit that subscribe button. Also leave a thumbs up on this video if you want to see more stuff like it. Or I don't know, I paid $250 for these. Better subscribe. You can definitely tell there's good content on this channel. Oh God, oh, I can't believe I'm opening them. Any day now, Zaya. I'm using scissors. I want to do this very just like calmly and nicely, and I don't want to damage anything like that. Okay. Open these. Open.
Oh God, they're packing peanuts, no!
Oh, here they are. Oh my God, I'm so excited. They're wrapped up. Oh my God, and they're packing peanuts, which I hate. Oh, like, ew, get out of here. Oh my God, here they are. They're in this little thing. So the options were $240 for these ones, or you could get an ankle chain for $260. However, I looked at my pants and I didn't really have anything that an ankle chain would clip to, so I just got the $240 pair, but then it was like $8 shipping, and oh my God! These are so cool! Oh my God. Wow, that side spike though is like, you could also have an option of not getting the side spike. And I also, if you have any kind of understanding of how to take out these, you could also take out the side spike really if you wanted to. These are so cool. What? Oh my God, I'm gonna wear these all the time. Like unironically, I bought these. Like I've been looking for like the perfect pair of Crocs. I don't know, I really have like been drawn to like the flame ones, you know, but like these just take the cake. Wow. These are incredible. Oh my God, I can't get over these. They're actually, first of all, these are gorgeous. We stan. These are the funniest shoes I've ever seen, but they're so perfect for my collection. Nobody knows me in real life from here, but anybody who knows me in real life knows that like my shoe collections, like I wear a lot of like weird shoes. You know, I don't really take risks much with just my normal clothes, but like shoes, it's like fair game. And so these like are the perfect collection. Like these are so me. But like, oh my God. Wow, these are incredible. These are my summer shoes. Like they're a little bit roomy, but I think that Crocs normally are. But like, wow, these are stunning. 10 out of 10 shoe. All right, well, that's my video today. You have now seen the infamous $250 pair of Goth Crocs. So, you know, again, who would be stupid enough to buy these? Me, but I'm so excited. I know that I was like saying, because I'm kind of decluttering my closet right now, the part 2 is coming soon, and I was like saying like, oh, I don't need to buy any more clothes or shoes or anything, like I have enough, I'm just downsizing, but like these were a necessity, like I hope you understand. Oh, that's so cool. All right, so that is all for me today. today's video. Thank you so much for watching. These are incredible. I've never been this happy in my entire life. By the way, if you're wondering like why would you spend that much money on these are my early graduation present to myself because I'm graduating in like 5 weeks. So definitely wasn't just like for no reason. But yeah, so other than that, I do hope that you liked this video. I don't know, you got to look at the Goth Crocs. Look how cool they are. All right, I'm gonna go down and edit this video for tomorrow morning. Bye.